Hello guys, today we will discuss about in previous video we have seen that how to analyze stress distribution across the whole in OpenFOAM. So today we will discuss about what each file contain, what each file do, means how to use that, how to change our boundary condition and all this thing. So please watch full video for understanding the code and all this thing. So let's start. First we will write ls code. ls code is for what is dictionary in your folder, and each folder contain. So we will go for cd command. Will go for in that directory you will go. So cd OpenFOAM, you have to just press tab and it will complete whole thing. So OpenFOAM version 60. Now we will go for tutorial and tutorial in stress analysis, and now we'll put enter, and now we'll see ls. So we have one tutorial, solid displacement form, solid equilibrium displacement form. We'll go for tutorial 1, cd tutorial 1. Now we put ls. So we have two different thing. So we'll first go for solid displacement form, cd solid displacement form ls. So here you can see that one plate hole is available. So cd plate hole, cd. So here we have 4 means 0, constant and system. So if you run ls star, you can see that in 0 folder there are two files, d and t, and constant we have mechanical property and thermal properties. In system we have block mesh dictionary, control dictionary, FV schemes, FV solution, and single graphs. So here D contains our boundary condition. Means in 0 folder we have boundary condition actually. So in D contain the displacement related our boundary condition, displacement, forces, pressure, and all this thing. And T means as T mentioned, thermal related boundary condition, like we have applied 300 Kelvin temperature in whole body, like that we have to miss in that case T is that boundary condition. Now is constant have, as name suggests, it contain mechanical property rho, mu, v, Young modulus, and all this thing. And thermal property contain alpha, means all the constant, like what to say, coefficient of expansion and all this thing. And now we have one system block mesh directory. It will give your mesh file control directory. How means I will show you what is the in control directory, FV schemes, FV solution. Now we'll go for that folder. Simply we have to write explorer.exe space dot. It will open our window. So now we'll go for, first we go for D file, open with. Here you can see that once typical OpenFOAM version is available, version 2006, version 2 ASCII, and all this thing. So now we will go for dimension. So if we just go for OpenFOAM user guide, you will find that in version means 2.2.6 dimensional unit. So here you can see that first means this first section is for mass, second is length, third is time, temperature, quantity, current, and luminosity intensity. Here we do not consider our masses, so we'll input 0. We'll input length is equal to 1, so it will give us in meters, and all other thing is 0. So we'll not include in our analysis any other time, temperature dependent, quantity dependent, current dependent, and luminosity intensity. So it is for dimension, it is for internal fluid, it is uniform 0 0 0. And now we'll go for boundary condition. So we have one left. We first we mention in mesh name selection will be there. So in that name selection, one left name selection is there. So in left name selection we will give typical type is symmetrical paint. So I will show you in paint actually. So we had considered only this section. We have selection only this section. So what is symmetric plane doing? It will symmetric about this y-axis, means this axis. So this condition is available. Right, traction displacement will give traction, means force will give 10,000 Newton, pressure will be 0, and value is means uniform 0 0 0. So we'll give force to this faces. Now down, I had given down name selection for this plane, and it will be symmetric. So it is symmetric plane, and up is same, but our force will be 0, pressure will be 0, and value is uniform. And now hole is same boundary condition, and front and back typical is empty. Now we'll go for T, means temperature input. Here you can see that same thing, but temperature is 0 0 a 1 2 3 4 4, temperature is 1. So it will input our temperature, but we had set temperature is uniform 300 Kelvin. It will input as a Kelvin. So same thing, left symmetrical plane, right 0 gradient, down symmetrical plane, up 0 gradient, hole 0 gradient, and other all faces empty. So by this way you can change our boundary condition. Now we'll go for constant. There are mechanical property. Here you can see that our rho is 7850. It is kg per meter cube, as mentioned. We had in dimension unit, so 1, and mu is equal to 0.3, and our Young modulus is in Pascal 2e⁻11, and plane stress we will simply say yes. So it will our analysis in plane stress. So in plane stress meaning across the thickness there are no strain or stresses, means stress means no stresses will consider. So same thing in thermal property, we will see K alpha, and thermal stress is not allowed, means we have simple 300 Kelvin across the whole body, so no thermal stresses will be developed. Now we'll go for block mesh directory. Here you can see that many vertices and blocks has been founded. You can, means it is actually very big geometry, means complex geometry. So but you can see that I had defined one boundary condition. I had defined left, right name selection, down name selection, and up name selection, and whole name selection. It contains these faces. Down contains these faces, and up contains these faces. Here you can see that type is equal to patch. Patch meaning you can give any load and all this thing. And symmetrical plane means you can apply the symmetric axis. So by this way you can apply symmetric plane, or you can apply patches. So patches will include all the forces and all this thing. So by this way you can do name selection. It is very critical or crucial. So you can do it mesh in any other software like Fluent, HyperMesh or thing, and you can import in this OpenFOAM. Now we'll go for control directory. You can see that our application is solid form. Start time is 0, stop at end time is 100, or delta t is equal to 1. Write control time step, written time step is 20. So each 20 step it will write our file. So write format is ASCII, write precision is in 6 and all this thing, time precision is 6 and all this thing. FE scheme, you can see that D2 open means time scheme steady state, our Euler beam theory, and our grid scheme is least square method, and we will solve our matrix by Gauss linear method. So it is like this. You can go for this complete, you can go for this user guide, and by this user guide you can change this Laplacian scheme and all this thing. Now we'll go for FE solution. You can see that our solver is Gmag. Tolerance is 1 e raised to minus 6, and smoother Gauss-Seidel method we will use. And same thing, this thing, our displacement criteria is 1 e raised to minus 6, or end correction. You can go for here, and you can find what is end correction and all this thing. So by this way you can change or manipulate our convergence criteria. If you put here 1 e raised to minus 3, it will converge with solution 1 e raised to minus 3. So if you don't have any restricted convergence criteria, you can simply reduce d e raised to minus 3. So it will give it will take our less time to solve one problem. By this way you can reduce actually time, but you will reduce your accuracy actually. So it is your choice to reduce time or reduce store. So now I will go for single graph. It will plot your graph actually, and all this thing is done. So thank you guys.